Hello and welcome back, I'm Sean, and today we're checking out Huawei's answer to the AirPods alternative genre with their latest earbuds, the Huawei FreeBuds 6. So let's check it out. So starting with what I like is definitely the sound quality you get with these earbuds, and it's definitely no joke. So plus you need to remember that this is a half in-ear earbuds. Where most companies failed in giving you good audio, Huawei made the sound signature almost, if not as good as in-ear earbuds. Super impressive. I also love the charging speed you get with these earbuds, and it fully charges in 25 minutes and the case in 45 minutes. You get a quick charge of 5 minutes for 2.5 hours of playback time, and not to mention you also get wireless charging with this case. I like the codecs you get with these earbuds, and you get the full range LDAC, AAC, SBC, and also L2HC4 for Huawei devices. And although you get only a Bluetooth 5.2, it compensates with the wonderful codec range that you have and the sound signatures of these earbuds. So there are also many tech features that I love on these earbuds: in-ear detection sensor, multi-point support, dual driver support, head gesture and swipe controls, and even auto level volume. Finally, the earbuds is also IP54 dust and water resistant, so you can use it even under light rain. So what could be better? One thing is the battery life, and in sound priority mode, when you use it with better codecs and at a decent mid-range volume, with ANC off, you're gonna get about 5.5 hours and 26.5 hours with the case. Pretty basic stuff here, but with ANC on, it drops to 4 hours and 20 additional hours with the case. So not the best out there. Fortunately, you don't need to play these earbuds loud, so you can preserve more of the battery life. As this is the newer modern earbuds, I wish we could get a better Bluetooth codec here. And I understand that companies like Huawei would always go with stable, proven options or technology, so I don't blame them, but Bluetooth 5.4 or maybe 6 would be cool. And frankly, that's all that I can think of that could be better on these earbuds. So the FreeBuds 6 comes in at a price of $159 US, competing closely with earbuds from top brands, but still at a very competitive price, especially for the quality you get with them. And if you find value in what you hear and like what you see so far, do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so the YouTube algorithm can pick this up. And if you want to buy these earbuds, do check out my links below. So sound signature on the FreeBuds 6 is very impressive and can definitely compete with top earbuds in the market, and coupled with LDAC support as well as Huawei's own L2HC4, you're not shortchanged when it comes to sound quality. Bass-wise, I'm plenty surprised, and this is a company that delivers on their advertised sound quality. Bass here is impressive for a half-in-ear earbuds, and I would say that this is either one of the best or on par with what you get with Apple. So sub-bass actually generates perfectly nice. The 4 sub-bass sequences in doing it right is generated well. It could be deeper, but it's definitely not flat, so needless to say, mid-bass hits nice and firm as well here. So mid-vocals in the default EQ is nice and flat in the center plane. Tune it a little bit in the EQ settings to push it a bit recessed or a little bit warm, and it'll sound so very good. Highs here is clear and has good separation. No jumbling up of tones. It could be brighter when you're not using it in LDAC mode, but overall it's still a fantastic sounding earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Huawei FreeBuds 6 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So these need speaking in relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So the earbuds in the case is designed very beautifully. Everything here is high quality and solid. The color I have here is the white model, and I think it looks sleek and professional. At the front here, you get the Huawei branding and also an LED at the bottom to let you know the battery level. And on the back, you get a small Huawei Sound logo at the hinge here, as well as some stickers about compliance stuff. At the bottom is a Type-C charging port to charge up the case, and the lid opens up nice and solid with zero play. There's literally no play here, and Huawei is not playing it when it comes to build quality, and this earbuds is so well made, miles better than my AirPods Pro with a slightly wobbly lid. Inside here, you get a very unique design earbuds. It's considered a stem style earbuds, and the design allows them to include its battery and multi-driver placement inside. You do get an 11mm dynamic driver for the low ends and vocals, as well as a planar diaphragm that manages the high ends. You also get an in-ear sensor here and very comfortable earbuds design as well, so wearing them have zero fatigue and I can wear them forever without any problems. So volume is also good on these earbuds, where I get to a comfortable listening volume at around 45%. Moving upwards of 75% volume feels really loud, and there's still a lot of power to go even louder. So this is a good thing because it allows you to play the earbuds at a middle volume to conserve battery life, and these earbuds also have auto leveling volume, so you can enjoy seamless music listening experience. So the Huawei Audio app provides you with comprehensive controls for your earbuds, and at the homepage you get your color accurate earbuds design as well as the earbuds and case battery percentage, which is very useful. And next is a connection center where you manage your multi-point connectivity and Bluetooth connection for all your devices. And below that you also get your noise cancelling toggle, and here you get 3 different levels: dynamic, which is an adaptive one, cozy for quiet places, and general for intense ANC. Below that is your Huawei Sound or EQ settings, and in here you get a bunch of presets as well as a 10-band manual EQ. You also get your adaptive volume for auto leveling depending on your surrounding noises. Next is also a control remapping and hit control to accept or reject calls using your hit. Below that is a wear detection toggle, find your earbuds, low latency toggle, as well as to update your earbuds. Alright, so there is ANC found on these earbuds, but they aren't the type of ANC earbuds similar to in-ear earbuds or what we're familiar with. And since these are half in-ear earbuds, they work well to remove unwanted white noise, low humming noises, fan or air conditioner noise. But they don't remove human chatters, noisy cafes, or airplane cabin noises all too well. When using this in a pretty quiet room with my aircon running and my fan turned on, I'm typically used to it, so I don't really think about it that much. And when you turn on the ANC, I suddenly feel the silence in the room. You still hear everything else, people talking to you, clicking on your keyboard, but all the annoying hums and low humming noises that you normally hear are all gone. But when you use them in airplanes or cars, they don't block out any of those noise well enough to be silent, so this is due to the half in-ear design. So you need to set your expectations right if you want to get this for its ANC, and with that I'm giving these earbuds an ANC performance of 6.4 out of 10. Latency controls with these earbuds is good already on its own, even before you enable low latency mode. And frankly, I don't see a big difference when I'm in low latency mode, and you get a nice latency performance when gaming in PUBG. Watching movies and videos works great as well. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So fantastic earbuds at a fantastic value, and I'm super impressed with Huawei's release of these earbuds, and I wish they could continue in this trajectory. I love that with Huawei you can use their buds whether you're running Android or iOS, and that's a big selling point unlike some proprietary brands. And if you also want to check out other ANC earbuds, do check out this playlist right over here, or if you want to check out another video, click right over here and I'll see you at those videos.